Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language in your Bible app. First, we are going to open our Bible app in our mobile phone. After opening, you can see the more option on the right bottom section. Click on it. And now you can see the settings menu. Go to the settings. Now you can see the general option. Open general menu. After opening the general menu, you can see the language option at the top section. And now you can choose your language from here. You can choose any language that you are comfortable with. So I am going to choose English language. Now click on the check mark that is on the top of the language section. And now you can see that your language has been set up. That's it. Now you can change your language as per your preference. Now you can choose your language easily from this guide. Hope you like it. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.